Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Today I am going to share my thoughts on an inspiring TED Talk by Peter Norving with the title The 10,000 Students Classroom. In this TED Talk, he explores how technology can transform education and make learning accessible to people all around the world. As someone who is passionate about modern education and global learning, I found his ideas very powerful and relevant. So, in this review, I will briefly explain what the speaker discusses and what important lessons we can take from his experiences in online teaching. But before going to review this TED Talk, I want to introduce myself to the people who are new watching my live session from my virtual studio room, the Reflection Room, on which I am going to review many things. So, I am Ira Mushtaq and a passionate educationist and learner. So, I am going to review the TED Talk by Peter Norving. So, before going to review the TED Talk, I want to tell you about shortly the speaker of the TED Talk. I collected the points for the biography of the speaker, the Peter Norving. So, Peter Norving is a renowned American computer scientist, best known for his work in artificial intelligence. He is a distinguished education fellow at Stanford University Human Centered AI Institute and has served as director of research and director of search quality at Google, where he contributed to shape core search algorithms and pioneering AI research. He co authored Artificial Intelligence, a Modern Approach, the leading global textbook on AI, used by thousands of universities around the world. He also co taught one of the first massive online AI courses that attracted more than 160,000 students and helping launch the modern movement of online learning MOOC. Earlier in his career, Peter led the computational sciences divisions at NASA Research Center and he held academic roles at universities such as the University of Southern California and the University of California, Berkeley, where he earned his PhD, so in computer sciences. He is a fellow of major scientific organizations including AAAI, Association for the Advancement of Artificial Intelligence, and ACM, Association for Computing Machinery. So it is the short biography of the speaker Peter Norving. So let's move toward the review of the TED Talk by the Peter Norving. And the title of the TED Talk is the 110 lakh students classroom. So main idea of the TED Talk is that how education can change and we when taught online to a massive and global audience. He shares what he learned from teaching on artificial intelligence courses that reached over 1 lakh, 10 lakh plus students around the world for free. So, what the Peter Norving want to say in his TED talk is that everyone is both a learner and a teacher. He begins his TED talk by saying that learning and teaching are connected. Every learners and teachers in their own way are learning many things. Second point which he discussed in his TED talk is that traditional classrooms haven't changed much more. Norving noticed that most classrooms still use very old teaching styles, with a teacher at the front, a textbook, and often a board student, similar to how it was hundreds of years ago in the old ancient Greek way. Time. Third point which he discussed in the TED talk is that they tried a new online model. With Sebastian Thoran, he decided to create an online version of their Stanford Artificial Intelligence classes. It wasn't just a recorded lecture, it was designed to feel interactive and personal. So, what I learned from the TED Talk is that instead of long lectures. We should make short videos of 2 to 6 minutes with quizzes between segments, and this made students feel like they were being tutored one on one. Active learning students had to think, answer questions, and engage with the content, not just passively watch. Due dates for motivation. They set weekly deadlines. Having deadlines kept students motivated to keep learning instead of postponing it. Peer support in forums. So students help each other in online discussion forums, sometimes even better than instructors, because peers remember what it's like not to understand something. So, what is the speaker of the TED Talk get the results and insight from his online courses that about half of the enrolled students watched video each week. More than 20,000 plus students complete all the homework and spending 50 to 100 hours on the courses. The ones who completed it earned a statement of accomplishment. Big ideas and lessons. Education can be global. Online teaching can reach students from all over the world. Short and active learning works better. Short lessons, quizzes help students stay engaged. Peers are powerful teachers. Students teaching one another creates community and support. Data can improve education by analyzing how students interact with the course. Future learning can even become more better. Motivation matters. It's not just about content, but how motivated and determined learners are. So at the end, I will end this review session with the lines that education doesn't have to stay old fashioned. We can combine technology, interaction, and community to make learning more engaging, more global, and more effective. Even when tens of thousands of people are learning together. So thank you very much this for watching this session. If you have any question, you can put your question in the comment box. I will try my best to answer all your queries, your ideas and suggestions from the comment box. I will come again with my this virtual studio, the reflection room, with another review of the TED talk or the book or the product. Till then, take care yourself and keep learning and keep growing. Allah Hafiz.